Hello mga buddy, kumusta? Panibagong update, panibagong vlog natin ulit. Masano po tayo? Gateway Mall. Ayan, Gateway Mall 1. Punta natin ulit si Toby Sports dahil nga buwan ng July. Panibagong update natin. Tingnan natin kung ano-ano yung mga nakasale nila ngayon. Syempre po sa mga napadaan sa ating channel, ayan, mag-subscribe kayo para lagi pong update. Pahit yung bell button. Maraming salamat. Nandito na tayo. Ayan, Toby Sports. Ayun, nandito na tayo. Yung sale nila up to 50% off. Continuous pa rin mga buddy. Kaya ayos na ayos. Tara. Uy, ang gaganda ng mga nasa bungad. Ito, Devin Booker. Booker. Uy, ito, hindi pa rin nakasale mga buddy. Sana to eh. Yung nag-endorse nito yung babae. NBA. WNBA. 6295 pa rin siya, no? Ganda ng kulay. Check natin yung mga iba dito. Ito kay Loka. Naka-regular pa rin to. Walang presyo, nabura. Ito sa isa. 5295. Mga buddy, 5295 na lang to, no? Loka, may kulay black. Yan, 5795 naman to. Yan. 5795. Pero yung isa, parang 5795 din. Parang to kasi, tingnan nyo. Ayun, no? Naputol. 5295 o 5795. Basta 5 plus siya. 5k plus. Ito kay Devin Booker. Camouflage, naka-regular to eh. 7895. 7895. Ito pa isa. Ano? Kulay black. 8595. Medyo mas mahal po ito. Angas. Kulay white dito. Ano kaya to? 5795 din to. Loka. Check natin yung slide nila. Ito naka-orange tag naman to. 1840, 1840. Dating to 3 ano. May bawas kahit paano. Selected lang yung naka-sale nila. Walang orange tag eh. Ito 25, 25. Ito Crocs, naka-orange tag Crocs. 2000, 2070, dating to 3. Pag hinanap nyo pala tong Toby Sports, Gateway Mall 1, ito, may escalator dito, pababa. Papuntang ano na yan, palabas. Sa SM, ganon. Tara, pasok tayo. Medyo malakas yung tugtog eh. Orange tag oh. 3436, 3436 mga body. Mga pangbabayong iba dito. Women. 28, yan, 2,800. Women. Ito, Cortez. 3286 na lang to. 3286 oh. Size ano to? Size 12. Size 12. 1980. 1980. Alright, yung mga running shoes, no, konti lang yung naka-sale nila. Selected lang talaga, no. Pero may naka 60% off mga buddy.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Jordan hair nila naka 40 off dito. Oh. 3717, 3717. Size 9, size 9. Sa mga pang babae, meron din naka-sale. Tulad nito, naka 20% off. Pang women po ito. 2,516. Yan. Yung iba, naka 10% lang eh. Ito, pang pasyal. 2,476 pang forma. Ito pa, pang forma. 2,796 naman to. 3,436 men. 3,436. 4,695. 4,695. 3756, 3756, 5.5Y, 5.5Y, 4675, 4675, women. Yun, lumabas na tayo sa Tovis mga buddy. Yung sale nila, may nakita ako naka 60% off. Kaya okay din. Continuous pa rin yung sale nila. Try nyo na lang pasyalan, dayuhin kung may nagustuhan po kayo. Tovis Sports Gateway Mall 1, second floor. Maraming salamat kila sir, kila ma'am. So nandito na lang, lagi mag-iingat. Peace. God bless. Bye bye.